Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today what we're going to do is we're going to cook off some awesome chicken hearts. These things right here are absolutely delicious with a beer. I've been dying all week to get them and finally got them in a cool butcher shop in Dublin. And yeah, we're just going to get cooking and you're going to see this simple marinade that I'm going to make, and also you can just do it with some salt and pepper if you fancy and just throw them right directly onto the grill. Hey guys, so here we have it. These are the chicken skewers that I have just done up. Best thing to do is marinate them overnight, and we put a little bit of chili garlic, a bit of teriyaki, spring onion, coriander, tiny pinch of salt and pepper, and we're going to get them directly onto the grill. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed the video. These are the chicken hearts right here, and if you just take one off, they melt in the mouth. They're so delicious and they're so cheap as well. And the best thing to do with it is to have a beer, a nice citrus beer. Oh my goodness, this is amazing. This is just a little treat. So really hope you enjoyed the video. Get out there and get something new, like chicken hearts. Use a different type of offal and use them as a snack. They cook them all around the world. They marinate them up. Some places do it with salt and pepper. Brazil, normally they do it just over the fire with salt and pepper, and just have them as a snack at a bar and have some beers with it. And this is just fun. So you can get them in most butcher shops in Dublin or around Ireland or the UK. Asian markets 100% will have them. And look, hope you enjoyed them, and if you enjoyed the video, definitely give a subscribe as well. Give a thumbs up, leave a comment on how you cook your chicken hearts, and if you're on Instagram, send me a picture, tag me in a picture, let me know that you're cooking these up and give them a go at least. It's just good to try something new as well. So look, big love and hope you enjoy.